Welcome to the Clinsoft Placement Document Verification tutorial for Institute staffs. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to verify the placement documents in Clinsoft. Start by logging into your Clinsoft account. On the navigation bar, click on the Document Verification tab to access the Document Verification page. Here, you'll see an overview of all the documents submitted by students. A table will display the details of each document, including the placement name, document name, upload date, approval status, and who approved it. You can use several filters to search for specific documents, such as student name, course, intake, campus, and status. Just below the table, you have the option to copy the rows, or you can export the table to PDF, CSV, or Excel. You also have the option to print the list. To approve or reject a document, use the search option or filters to find the document you want to review. Once you find it, locate the document in the table. Under the Actions column, click the three dots button and select the Approve/Reject option. You'll be able to see the document's expiry date. Set the approval status to Approve or Reject, and then click Submit. If you select Reject, be sure to enter a reason for rejection. The approval status of the document will be updated to Approved or Rejected based on your selection. If the document is rejected, the student will need to re-upload the document. And that's it. This is how you can verify placement documents using Clinsoft. Thank you for watching and happy learning!